Hi, I'm Jared with more computer news you can use.
My computer mouse broke. How can I fix it?
First, you have to know how a mouse works. It's an optomechanical device.
A what?
Let's break it down. Here, opto refers to light and mechanical refers to motion, like with wheels and shafts. When you move your mouse, the ball on the bottom rotates two shafts attached to wheels that have small holes in them.
Cool. What's next?
Light-emitting diodes send light beams through the holes and detect them on the other side. As the holes spin by, the light is cut off. The detector signal is sent to the computer to locate the mouse's cursor on your screen. Now that we know how a mouse works, let's figure out what's wrong with your mouse and fix it. To learn more, visit our website. Until next time, I'm Jared with cool computer news you can use.